Hello everyone, very good evening. Welcome to Ecoholics YouTube live class and I am Nidhi Sharma, your faculty of economics, and I welcome you all to today's live stream, day 2 of macroeconomics, where we are going to discuss the PYQs that have come up in your UGC NET examination. The topic for today, that is the classical and the Keynesian approach. So please join in everyone quickly so that I can start with this live and we can make this live a successful one. We can solve as many as possible questions together. Okay, so please join in everyone quickly. And you all know we have a rule at our YouTube live stream that where the question will be presented to you on the screen and you have to tell me the answer of it in the chat box so that I can discuss the question and answer with you. So make sure to interact with me frequently in the chat box through your answers. Okay. So I'll be presenting the questions to you on screen and then you have to give me the answer of it in the chat box. Okay, presenting the first question on your screen. Here is the first question. Adam Smith contributions are: number A, division of labor; number B, notion of increasing returns; number C, notion of diminishing returns; D, dialectical materialism; E, socially necessary abstract labor time. Tell me what will be the answer of this question. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A and B only, A and C only, A and D only, or A and E only. So one thing is confirmed, that A is definitely going to be in your answer. Along with A, which is the right option that is going to complement A, you have to choose that one. Okay. So those who have joined, okay, I can now see your names. Dhairya, good evening. Mona Lisa, good evening. Arifa, good evening. Rezwal, good evening. Uh, Muzammil, Rafiq, hi, good evening. Dania, Nusrat, good evening. Okay, good evening to all of you. Very good. So A and E only is the right answer, that is division of labor, and the socially necessary abstract labor time is the correct answer of this question. Question number 2. Okay, there is a numerical question for you. So as you can see, we have brought a healthy mix of numerical questions as you by solving the uh, now I expect some answers from you all. Please focus on solving the question and tell me what is the correct answer. Expenditure multiplier and the resultant increase in GDP. Good evening, Ramat. Welcome to the class. Acha, according to MPS, what is the formula of multiplier? Can anyone tell me? What is the formula of multiplier if we have MPS given? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Ramat, can you please tell me what will be the formula of multiplier if MPS is given to me? Is it 1 by 1 minus MPS or is it only 1 by MPS? What is the formula? Okay. Multiplier is 1 by 1 by MPS. So if MPS is low, that means multiplier would be high. So higher will be the value of multiplier. This is the correct one. Okay. Moving on to the next question. In the extreme case of liquidity trap, there will be tendency to buy bonds. Most of the investors will show bearish behavior. Cash will be less preferred or the price of the bonds will be low. What will happen? In the case of extreme case of liquidity trap, what happens? In the extreme case of liquidity trap, most of the investors will show a bearish behavior. Most of the investors will show a bearish behavior. पहले का आंसर क्या था? The question number 3, its answer was higher will be the multiplier effect, because see, if it is multiplier is equals to 1 by MPS. Okay. Now arrange the following chronologically in order of their publications. The answer to this question would be B. Who wrote that every man thus lives by exchanging or becomes in some measure a merchant, and the society itself grows to be what is properly a commercial society? Who told this thing? Who wrote this thing actually? Tell me, who wrote this thing? Who wrote that every man thus lives by exchanging or becoming in some measure a merchant? It will. Okay, so I am back. I have just changed my network so that you all were telling that there is some network issues. So I've just changed my network. Now I hope you all can have a seamless experience in the class. So this is the question that I was discussing. Which of the following two economists are associated with the problem of time inconsistency? So the answer for this question is Kidland and Prescott. Actually, I had discussed this question, but you all were not available that time. So now there will be no problem in the network and everything. Everything will be fine. Just keep answering questions. Okay. Now, the next question. Match the following. Match list 1 with list 2. SCP approach, transaction cost theory, public choice theory, industrial connection. And the list 2 we have James Buchanan, new classical index, HH index, Williamson. What will be the answer? You have to just match the following. The options are given to you. Please match. Transaction cost theory would go with new classical theory. By joining just one, you can industrial connection D. All everybody knows Herfindahl index, HH index. D would be with 3. Public choice theory, James Buchanan, and SCP approach by Williamson. So option D is the correct answer. Very good. Next question. Arrange the books in ascending order based on their year of publication. Arrange the books in ascending order based on their year of publication. Tell me. An inquiry into the nature and causes of wealth of nations, the very famous book, The Theory of Moral Sentiments, Capitalism, Socialism, and Democracy, The Great Transformation, The Political and Economic Origin of Our Time, The Affluent Society. What will be the correct option? Tell me, question number 10. Wealth of Nation is of 1776. This is of 1759. This is of 1944. Socialism, Capitalism, and Democracy. It's of 1942. And The Affluent Society is of 1958. So, according to this, what do we get? We get B, A, C, D, and E. Option B. Option B. Very good. 11. Partisan theory views macroeconomic policy outcomes as the result of ideologically motivated decision by leaders of different political parties. The parties represent constituencies with different preferences concerning macroeconomic variables. Tell me, what will be the answer of this question? It will be option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Animal spirit. This is a very, very important term, and it is closely associated with which one? Past investment, current investment, in aggregate income, or aggregate expenditure. So the animal spirit of Keynes is actually associated with the current investment, because the the investor has some animal spirit. That means they are very much influenced by the current trends, and it is something related to the current investment. Okay, arrange the following chronologically in order of their year of first occurrence, starting from the oldest. So basically you have to arrange it in the formation of oldest to newest. Liquidity preference theory, multiplier, division of labor, Adam Smith, quantity theory of money, Fisher, and Great Depression. The right answer for this would be CEBAD. First came division of labor, Adam Smith, the oldest one. Then came the Great Depression. Obviously, after Adam Smith, the Great Depression had happened. Then came the multiplier, then the liquidity preference theory, and then the quantity theory of money by Fisher. That is the latest one. Okay, in accelerator theory, capital output ratio is assumed to be increasing independent from the level of national income, decreasing, or constant. What will be the right answer? Accelerator theory, capital output ratio is assumed to be. We have a constant capital output ratio here. Constant would be the right answer for this question. Okay, which of the following statements are correct? According to the accelerator model, investment demand is proportional to the change in GDP. The real rate of interest is the nominal rate of interest plus inflation rate. The higher is the real interest rate, the higher is the rental cost of capital. Investment is a stock concept. Residential investment is low when mortgage rate of interests are high. You have to find out the correct statement. Tell me what will be the answer of this question. The correct statement 15. Please mark the question number as well with your answer so that it can be understood you are answering which question. According to the accelerator model, investment demand is proportional to the change in GDP. Yes. The real rate of interest is the nominal rate of interest plus inflation rate. Really? Please tell me what will be the answer. Higher is the real interest rate, higher is the rental cost of capital. Correct? Investment is a stock concept. No. D, you have to eliminate D. Okay, so option A and D are gone. Investment is not a stock concept, it is a flow concept. Residential investment is low when the mortgage rate of interests are high. Definitely E is correct. So, whether it should be A, C, and E or A, B, and E, what should be the right answer? Arifa, you are answering for which question? Please mention the question number as well. A, C, and E will be the right option. You have to find out the best one. So, best option is A, C, and E. Okay. So, this was all about the questions for today's discussion. Now, I would like to tell you that we also offer paper 2 courses for UGC NET, and you can definitely join in our course because we really offer many good features such as interactive live classes 5 days per week. You all get ample time for revision and self study as well. You get personalized mentoring from the faculty. You get 50 practice questions for each subject, full length mock tests, specific hard copies related to examination, subject wise revisionary PDF, and many more things. Okay, so you can definitely check out our courses. The If you want to join us, then you can definitely contact us. The details are provided in the description box of this video, and also in the comment section it has been pinned. You can also visit our website ecoholics.in, and you can check out those things. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Tomorrow again we will have a live class, and we'll be discussing more questions with a new topic. Okay, thank you so much everybody. If you all have to ask something, you can definitely ask me. Do not forget to like this video. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to it. Thank you so much. Do you all want to ask something, or should I end the live now? Okay, thank you so much everyone.